Arkansas, Ashley and Chico, and the following parishes in Louisiana: Concordia, East Carroll, Madison, Morehouse, Kennesaw and West Carroll, and the following counties in Mississippi: Adams, Atala, Bolivar, Carroll, Choctaw, Claiborne, Clark, Clay, Copiah, Covington, Forest, Franklin, Grenada, Hines, Holmes, Humphreys, Issaquah, Jasper, Jefferson Davis, Jefferson, Jones, Kemper, Lamar, Lauderdale, Lawrence, Leake, LaFleur, Lincoln, Lowndes, Madison, Marion, Montgomery, Neshoba, Newton, Noxubee, Octavia, Rankin, Scott, Sharkey, Simpson, Smith, Sunflower, Warren, Washington, Webster, Winston, and Yazoo. Wind advisory in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to 3 p.m. Central Standard Time Saturday. Freeze warning in effect from midnight tonight to 10 a.m. Central Standard Time Saturday. Freeze warning in effect from 6 p.m. Central Standard Time Saturday to 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time Sunday. What? For the freeze warning tonight, sub-freezing temperatures as low as 28 expected. For the freeze warning Saturday night into Sunday morning, sub-freezing temperatures as low as 24 expected. For the wind advisory tonight into Saturday, north winds 20 to 25 miles per hour and gusts to 40 miles per hour expected, with higher gusts possible. Where? Portions of northeast Louisiana, central, east central, north central, northeast, northwest, south central, southeast, southwest and west central Mississippi and southeast Arkansas. When? For the freeze warning tonight, from midnight tonight to 10 a.m. Central Standard Time Saturday. For the freeze warning Saturday night into Sunday morning, from 6 p.m. Central Standard Time Saturday to 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time Sunday. For the wind advisory, from 6 p.m. this evening to 3 p.m. Central Standard Time Saturday. Impacts: gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Freeze conditions will kill crops, another sensitive vegetation, and possibly damage unprotected outdoor plumbing. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Take steps now to protect tender plants from the cold. To prevent freezing and possible bursting of outdoor water pipes, they should be wrapped, drained, or allowed to drip slowly. Those that have in-ground sprinkler systems should drain them and cover above-ground pipes to protect them from freezing. Here's a winter weather bulletin for the following counties in Arkansas, Ashley and Chico, and the following parishes in Louisiana: East Carroll, Morehouse and West Carroll, and the following counties in Mississippi: Atala, Bolivar, Holmes, Humphreys, Issaquah, Kemper, Leake, Madison, Neshoba, Sharkey, Sunflower, Washington, and Yazoo. Winter weather advisory in effect from 10 p.m. this evening to 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Saturday. What? Light snow expected. Total snow accumulations of up to 1 inch. Where? Portions of northeast Louisiana, central, east central, northwest and west central Mississippi and southeast Arkansas. When? From 10 p.m. Friday to 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Saturday. Impacts: plan on slippery road conditions. Slow down and use caution while traveling. The latest road conditions for Mississippi can be obtained by visiting mdottraffic.com, dotd.la.gov in Louisiana, and idrivearkansas.com in Arkansas. Repeating, a winter weather advisory remains in effect from 10 p.m. Central Standard Time until 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Saturday, and now includes the following counties in Arkansas, Ashley and Chico, and the following parishes in Louisiana: East Carroll, Morehouse and West Carroll, and the following counties in Mississippi: Atala, Bolivar, Holmes, Humphreys, Issaquah, Kemper, Leake, Madison, Neshoba, Sharkey, Sunflower, Washington, and Yazoo. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of